Anyone ever told you that chiropractic is nervous system magic? Probably not, but I'm here to tell you that it is. Let me tell you why. I want you to think of your spine as the highway for your nervous system. When there's traffic or joint restrictions, the messages that go between your brain and your body get really jammed up. This is where chiro adjustments come in. So it clears the pathway, reduces nerve interference, and gets everything flowing smoothly again. The result? Less pain, faster healing, better coordination, and a body that's back in sync. What more could you want? Duh. Literally not just your back, it's your entire system leveling up. Crazy.